2,
2,
3.
Tots TV. I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny,
We're the Tots on Tots TV.
1, 2, 3, blue.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny, we love our house, our secret house.
It's a secret.
It's alright, they're not going to tell anyone.
Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny,
We stay together every day.
1, 2, 3, blue.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny, we take our magic bag with us.
Sac magique, sac magique.
Tilly, it's a secret.
It's time to go now.
Come on.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
And Tiny,
Off we go together now. 1, 2, 3, blue. I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
and Tiny,
Off we go together now to see what we can see. What will we see?
Qu'est-ce qu'on va voir?
what will we see?
Regardez, une montagne.
Cool.
Hey, Tots. That's a big, big mountain, that is.
Oh, yeah. But what's that funny thing on the top of it?
Mais c'est un obélisque.
An obelisk.
An obelisk.
An obelisk.
Now, Tots. I think they're going to climb the mountain.
Yeah, we climb up here. Big step for
That's
little
it.
legs. Well done. Oh, we've got a long way to go, haven't we, today? Hey, that's a good girl. Oh, can you see what I can see up there? Can you see the obelisk up there? Do you think we can climb all the way up there? Can you see it right up there? Yeah. It's a long way, isn't it, to go? Come on then, let's get going.
Did you hear what they said? They said they're going to climb right to the top of that mountain. Oh, I want to do that too. I want to do
Oh, moi
it.
aussi, moi aussi. Allez, venez.
Yeah,
Oui.
come on.
Excuse me.
Oui,
Just one little thing. See that obelisk?
oui.
Yeah. Well, it looks like a long, 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 long way up there.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure I can walk all that way. Let's stay down here looking at it.
Oh no, come on, Tom.
Allez, Tom.
Marching up to the top of the mountain, marching up to the top of the mountain.
Allez, Tom. On est presque arrivé.
Yeah, come on, Tom.
Hang on, Tilly Tiny. Wait for me.
Oh, come on, Tom.
Allez, Tom.
Oh dear. Wait for me. I'm all passed out.
Oh, look, come on, Tom, hurry up. Look, we've got to get to the obelisk up there.
Oh là 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 là, quelle banane.
I know, a banana. Come on, Tom, don't be such a slow banana. Look, that little girl's nearly going to touch the obelisk now. She's nearly there.
Viens, Tiny.
Yeah, come on, Tilly.
Allez, Tom.
Tilly, Tiny, wait for me. Tilly, Tiny, wait for me. I can't go any further. I'm all passed out. I'm not going any further. I've come as far as I can go. That's it.
Allez, Tom. Je veux toucher l'obélisque.
Yeah, come on, Tom, we're nearly there. We want to touch the obelisk.
I don't care about the silly old obelisk. I'm staying here and that's that.
Banane. Tiny, je vais toucher l'obélisque.
Oh, no, Tilly. We can't go and touch the obelisk without Tom. We have to touch the obelisk together. We'll have to wait for Tom, even if he is a slow banana.
J'ai une idée, Tiny.
You've got an idea, Tilly?
Oui. Sac magique. Sac
Oh, a rope.
Hé, Tom, regarde!
What's this?
Just you hold tight, Tom, and you'll see.
Why?
Allez, 1, 2, 3.
Pulling Tom to the top of the mountain. Pulling Tom to the top of the mountain. Pulling Tom to the top of the mountain.
Tire, 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 tire.
There, look, Tom.
Voilà. Allez, venez maintenant, on va toucher l'obélisque.
Oh, yeah, now that you're at the top of the mountain, Tom, it's time to touch the obelisk.
Oui, allez, venez.
Yeah, come on.
Voilà. Ça y est.
Nearly at the obelisk, nearly at the obelisk, nearly at the obelisk. Made it! Brilliant! Come on, Tom. Come and touch the obelisk at the top of the mountain. Yeah!
I made it! I'm at the obelisk!
Yeah.
Oh, dear.
Here we are, Tom. Have a little rest.
Oh, look.
Yeah, here we are on top of a great big mountain, look.
Oui, Tom, regarde. Regarde comme c'est beau.
Oh,
Yeah, look how nice it is, Tom.
yeah, Tots.
Yeah.
I'm quite glad we've climbed up to the top of this high, high mountain.
Oh, Tom, it was hard work, but it was really worth it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh oui.
Tots.
Yeah.
Now we're all together on a great big mountain.
Yeah.
Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
Allez, viens.
Tom, you see what I'm doing?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Tiny.
Yeah.
Can I have a go at that?
Yeah, Tom, in a minute, I've just got to finish this bit here and then you can have a go, alright?
All right.
Alright.
Les ballons. Alors, le ballon... Oh, le ballon vert. Voilà. Oui.
Tom, don't do that.
Sorry.
Tom,
Wow.
don't do that.
The funny noise, though.
I know. It's quite funny.
Funny old noise.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
I might know another funny noise
Really? What?
to show you.
Go on in.
It is?
Yeah.
Right.
Tom, that is such a funny noise.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Shall I do it again?
Yeah, do it again, do it again.
Here we go.
It's all splashing, bubbling.
Oh, it's brilliant. I like that.
Yeah.
Hey, Tiny,
Yeah.
I've got a brilliant idea.
Yeah.
You know Tilly?
Yeah.
phone.
Oh, yeah, and the she could hear all our funny noises.
There we go.
Go on, phone her, go on.
What's the number? Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, there we go.
Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. C'est Tilly à l'appareil. Bonjour.
Tilly, hello.
Oh, bonjour, Tom.
We've got some lovely funny noises for you.
Yeah.
Would you like to hear them?
D'accord.
Right, here we go. Here is Tiny's funny noise.
Okay.
Oui.
We've got another really funny noise. Do you want to hear that one?
D'accord.
Right, ready?
Oui.
1, 2. Bye, Tilly.
Bye, Tilly.
She liked that.
Oh, j'ai une idée. Oui. Le ballon bleu. Voilà. Voilà. Alors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tom speaking.
Allô, Tom, c'est Tilly à l'appareil.
Oh, hello, Tilly.
Vous voulez entendre des bruits drôles?
Tilly wants to know if you want to hear another funny noise.
Oh, yeah. I'd really like to hear another funny noise.
Tilly?
Oui.
Yes, please, we would.
D'accord. Écoutez.
Listen, yeah.
Yeah, listening.
Vous aimez?
Yeah, we like that.
We like
Yeah, we love that, Tilly. It's brilliant. Hey, Tilly.
Oui.
Come out here a minute. I've got a brilliant idea.
D'accord.
Tilly, Tom.
Voilà, je suis prête.
Brilliant. You ready, Tilly?
Oui.
Yeah, I'm ready to.
Good. Right then, Donkey, for your entertainment, we present the wonderful, the brilliant, funny noise top band! 1, 2, 3.
And all together now. Go do it, thank you very much,
Do you like that, Donkey? Funny noise band. Lovely Donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
Allez, viens. Je lave ma petite voiture.
Wash my tummy, wash my ab, wash, 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 wash. Wash, 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 wash. Where's the soap?
Right then, little Louie. Now this sign means no Lawrence past here because it's the edge of the table. You'll fall off. Right, now I think my story is just about ready for Tom and Tilly to come and listen to. So I'll just give them a ring. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What's... Oh. Phone. Where's the phone? Oh, there's the phone. Hello, Tots House 123, Tom speaking.
Oh, hello, Tom. It's Tiny here.
Hello, Tiny.
The reason that I was actually ringing, is that, I've just got this story about a little car, and would you like to come and listen to it?
Story?
Yeah.
All about a little car?
Yeah.
Oh, well, Tiny.
Yeah.
I've just started having a bit of a wash and a bath.
Having a wash in the bath?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, but Tom, it's ever such a good story. It's, worth getting out of a bath for, really, honestly.
All right then, Tiny. I'll come and listen to your lovely story.
Oh, brilliant. All right, I'll see you in a minute then.
Yeah, bye.
All right, bye.
Right, oh dear. Where's my towel? Oh, there it is. My glasses.
That's Tom. Good. Now, let's see if Tilly wants to come and listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Le téléphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C'est Tilly à l'appareil, bonjour.
Oh, hello. Is that Tilly?
Oui, bonjour Tiny.
Oh, hello, Tilly. It's Tiny here. The reason that I'm ringing, actually, is, are you busy at the moment?
Oui, figure-toi que je nettoie ma petite voiture.
Oh, you're washing your little car?
Oui.
Oh, Tilly, that's really funny because I've got a story actually about a little car and it's really exciting, loads of adventures.
Vraiment?
Yeah, really. Do you want to come and listen to it?
Oh oui, Tiny, oh oui.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, I'll see you in a minute then.
D'accord.
Yeah. Bye, Tilly.
Oh, une petite voiture. Oh, une petite voiture.
Right. Here we go, little sign, and here we go, little lorry. And let's just move that out of the way. Take Tiny's book about the little car. Ready, Tom? Good. And ready, Tilly?
Oui, Tiny.
Right. This is my story, which I made up myself. Now then. Once upon a time, there was a little red car. And so the naughty little red car didn't go to school. And that is the end of my little story. Yeah, completely finished.
Tots TV! I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
Tiny.
We're the Tots on Tots TV. 1, 2, 3, blue! I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
Tiny, we love our house, our secret house.
It's a secret.
It's all right, they're not going to tell anyone.
Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
Tiny,
We stay together every day.
1, 2, 3, blue!
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
Tiny, we take our magic bag with us.
Sac magique, sac magique.
Tilly, it's a secret.
It's time to go now.
Come on.
I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
And Tiny,
Off we go together now. 1, 2, 3, blue! I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tots TV.
Tom.
and Tiny,
Off we go together now to see what we can see. What will we see?
Qu'est-ce qu'on va voir?
what will we see?
Regardez! Des poussins!
Little baby chicken.
Oh, fluffy, fluffy, fluffy.
Yeah, and pecky, pecky, pecky.
Tiny! Venez voir vite! Il y a des œufs!
Can we see the egg?
Oui, venez!
No thanks, Tilly, actually. We're looking at the chicks.
Yeah, lovely little chick.
Oh là 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 là! Oh!
No, that's sweet.
Yeah. Tip, 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 tip,
Mais
tip.
venez voir!
What, Tilly?
Allez, venez voir les œufs! Allez, venez!
All right then,
All
Tilly.
right, I don't see what for, though.
No.
Allez!
Bye, little chicks. Bye.
Oh, look! Eggs!
Le petit trou dans l'œuf.
There's a little hole in that egg.
Yeah. Oh, look! Look! There's something moving inside the hole.
Regardez. Il y en a deux.
Tots.
Yeah?
There are two little things going tap, 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 tap. They're going tap, tap, tap inside those eggs. They are tots.
Look, you can see them moving. Look. Let's just look a bit closer. Shh. Oh, Oh, this is brilliant.
Hey, look. I can see a little foot.
They're pushing their way out, aren't they?
What is it?
I don't know, I can't see.
Regardez, c'est un petit poussin.
It was a little chick. Ah, that's what it was all along.
Regardez.
That's who is inside that egg.
Yeah,
Oui, des poussins.
a little baby chick.
That little baby chick was inside that egg. Soon there'll be 2 chicks.
Yeah, but he's got to do a bit more pushing and tapping.
Yeah, pushing and tapping.
And then he'll be out with his friend.
It's a new little chick that's just been born. 2 little chicks hatching out of eggs.
Chip a bit,
Tweet a bit.
Tots are watching. Flap a bit.
Fluff a bit.
Yeah. Little chicks hatching. Oh.
He likes that. Hello, little chick. Tweet, tweet, tweet. No. Tweet, tweet. Lovely little chicks. Tilly, we were lucky to see these little chicks hatch.
Oui, Tom.
No. I love you, little chick.
Oh, little chicks, tweet, tweet, tweet. They're under my chin. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Petit poussin.
Fluffy chicks. No. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Oh, look.
Cui, 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 cui.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Petit poussin.
Little chicks.
They're all tired now because it's such hard work hatching, isn't it?
Oui.
Yeah. Tilly, Tom, I've never seen a little chick hatch before.
C'est extraordinaire.
It's very special, it is, Tots. We're lucky to see a chick hatch, weren't we?
Yeah, really lucky.
Little fluffy chicks. Lovely donkey.
Our friend Donkey.
Allez, viens.
I've got a green apple and a red apple and an orange carrot. Now, I wonder which is Donkey's favourite colour out of red, green and orange. Let's see. Donkey! Donkey, come over here a minute. Got a little experiment for you. Now, which of these colours do you like? Oh. Is that the orange carrot that you like then? Yeah. You like the orange carrot. Brilliant. Tom, Tom, guess what happened? I just asked Donkey what his favourite colour was, if it was red or green or orange, and he said his favourite colour was orange. Yeah. Tom, what are you doing?
We're playing colours, we are, Tiny.
What's your favourite colour, Tom?
Blue, that's my favourite colour.
Oh, blue.
Mais c'est merveilleux. C'est un secret. Oh, ça c'est joli. Oui, c'est merveilleux. Oh là là. Oh, oh. Regardez la jolie robe. Je la garde.
Make it all green for you, Tiny.
Oh, Tom, that's really nice. Because green is my favourite colour.
Tom, Tiny, regardez-moi. Je suis la plus colorée des Tots.
Oh, yeah, Tilly, you do look like the most colourful tot that I've ever seen.
Tilly, you look lovely.
Merci, Tom.
Cool, that looks like a really good time being a colourful tot. Oh, I think I might have a go at that. Wait a minute. Cool. Orange for starters.
Ah oui, voilà.
A little bit of blue round the top of my head. Smashing.
Voilà.
Colours, colours, colours. Oui, des couleurs. Oh, look. What a lovely bag. Gold. That's a good colour, Tilly. Cool. Tom.
Now, where's that glue?
Tom, look how colourful I am now. Look, I've got blue and orange on my jumper, and I've got flowers, and I've got a really nice gold bag.
Tom. Regarde-moi. Je suis la plus colorée des Tots.
Oh, Tilly, you're not the most colourful of all the tots. Look at me, I'm covered in colours.
Bien, alors, je vais mettre plus de couleurs encore. Tu vas voir, Tiny. Alors là...
What, you're going to get some more colours? Oh, Tom, I better get some more colours as well. Got to keep up. Oh, lots of colours up here. Try this one.
Ah, je suis la plus colorée des Tots.
Tilly. Dear. I think I know what to do.
Tom, n'est-ce pas que je suis la plus colorée des Tots?
Oh, Tilly, you're not the most colourful tot. I'm the most colourful tot. Aren't I, Tom?
Oh. Well, Tiny is very colourful, but Tilly's quite colourful too.
Yes, but Tom, who is the most colourful tot, please?
Oh. Oh dear. Well, well, I don't know really. You're both quite colourful.
Eh bien, je vais demander à Donkey.
Oh, yeah, Tilly, that's a good idea. I'm going to go and ask Donkey as well.
Oh dear.
Donkey, oh, regarde-moi. N'est-ce pas que je suis la plus colorée des Tots?
No, Donkey. Donkey, look at me. Look, I'm the most colourful tot, really, aren't I?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
I don't know. What's that?
Tilly, Tiny, where are you? Tilly, Tiny, where are you?
Tom.
What?
What are you dressed up like that for?
Uh-huh. I'll crown you king of all the colours.
Brilliant.
And Tilly, I crown you queen of all the colours.
Oh, Tom. Am I the king?
Oh yes, Tiny, you're the king of all
brilliant.
the colours. You're king and queen of all the colours. King and queen of all the colours in the world. I'm a Tots
Susan, Tots TV,
Tom
and Tiny.
Off we go together now. 1, 2, 3, boom! I'm a Tots
Susan, Tots TV,
Tom.
and Tiny.
Off we go together now to see what we can see. What will we see?
Qu'est-ce qu'on va voir?
What will we see?
Oh, c'est Jacques!
Yes, it's Jack. Oh, no, it's Jack. What's he doing?
Il verse de l'eau savonneuse.
Oh yes, he's pouring soapy water.
What's it for?
Ah, well, what it's for?
Chut, c'est une surprise secrète. Attends et regarde.
I'll wait and see.
Lovely bubbles.
Des bulles. Écoute!
They're coming for their surprise. Oh no, they don't know what to do.
Mais s'il regarde!
Wait and see.
Quelle surprise!
Yeah, what a lovely surprise.
Yeah, a lovely bubbly surprise.